Welcome to Freedom Kitchens and Wardrobes. If you are doing a new build, a large renovation, or you just want a new kitchen or wardrobe, we are the place to come to. We've been doing kitchens for over 30 years. We use only the best enduring products. We have a fully automated factory in New South Wales, so you can be assured that you are buying an Australian product. Let me take you through our showroom and explain to you why you should choose Freedom for your new kitchen. G'day, how are you going?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Are you thinking about a new kitchen?
I am actually, new
Wonderful,
kitchen.
you've come to the right place.
Thank you.
Is it a new build, a renovation, or just a kitchen replacement that
Just
you're
a
doing?
kitchen replacement.
Okay.
I'm just looking to refresh.
Wonderful, you've come to the right place. I'm Andrea.
Nice to meet you, I'm Elaine.
Oh, lovely to meet you, Elaine. Well, let me show you our kitchens. I'll start with our entry-level kitchen,
Awesome.
which is our DIY kitchen. Our essential range is our entry-level kitchen. The value for money, quality kitchen with a quick turnaround, delivered to you as a flat pack. It's a beautiful quality product, all the best components in it. So it has the solid backing, the solid 16mm backing.
Oh.
And if you look at this, Elaine, this is ABS edging. ABS edging is the stuff that Lego's made of. So you know how tough that is. You won't get the chipping and peeling like
That's
the
great.
old kitchens. Yep. All European hinges and drawer runners, lifetime warranty. Have a look at the drawers, all soft close. Look at this kitchen, there's so many different options that you can get in a kitchen. You can have a laminate bench top or you can have Caesar stone. There are all different accessory options. There's a pull-out pantry,
Oh, that's great.
which is fabulous. It gives you the opportunity of fitting so much more into such a small space. And the beauty of this is it's delivered as a flat pack. So that gives you the option of installing it, or you can get your trades to install it. I'll take you around now to our designer range. I love showing people our designer range. It gives you so many options for beautiful finishes, combinations and styles. We have every style that you could possibly want for your kitchen, and you would have seen us on the block over the years. There are so many different looks that you can get. So this is our shaker or Sierra, we call it the Sierra, but it's commonly known as the shaker style. And with a new edge on it, a new vibe, it's in black. It's a wow.
This looks beautiful.
Yeah, you may have seen that on the block.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful style. This is one of our laminate bench tops.
This looks lovely, however, husband's probably more interested in stone.
Well, let me show you
Yes.
our Caesar stone. Caesar stone is a manufactured stone. So it's manufactured from quartz and polymer resins. Quartz is the third hardest stone in the world. So you've got the strength of the quartz with the polymer resin, which gives it its heat and stain resistance. Caesar stone is the cream of the crop when it comes to man-made stone. You will notice when you see prestige homes for sale, they usually say Caesar stone bench tops in the kitchen, and it comes with a 10-year warranty. You know, there's the matte finish, which is the concrete looks, and then you've got the normal gloss finishes, which are the timeless ones that have been around forever. And as you can see, this is our range of laminate bench tops. You can see beautifully here how they go together. This is the one that you thought was a real timber.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Are you sure this isn't real?
It is. A lot of people come into our showroom and say, what type of timber is that? It's amazing. We have the two different edges too. So different finishes have different edges. So the brushed concrete has the quadra edge, and this one has the streamline edge to make it look like a block of timber.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
yes.
so some of the stone ones have the quadra edge looking like a rounded stone. And they're all beautiful quality, 38mm bench top. And what you can do, you can incorporate both the laminate and the Caesar stone in your kitchen.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, some people will do the Caesar stone in their work area, and then on their island they'll do a beautiful laminate, which makes it more homely to go with the kitchen with that timber look laminate. We have a great range of handles to help you get a handle on your kitchen. Everyone wants a handle. It's a design feature on kitchens now. It makes it your design feature.
I guess
and
it would give
sets
it
you
some
apart.
texture as well.
Yeah, it makes it your design. Our kitchens are delivered all made up. So they're delivered all ready to be installed. I'll show you, they are actually installed on the commercial grade polymer leg. Each of these legs takes 132.5 kilograms.
Oh wow.
Which is fantastic. You get 4 of these under every set of cabinetry.
Great.
Now the benefits of having this leg, not only can it be adjusted for height, but basically the real thing is no floor is perfectly level. So that gives the installer the benefit of being able to ensure that your kitchen is perfectly level. We have 2 brands of appliances, Inalto and Tekka. We offer a range of finance options, so head over to our finance page. We offer a free design consultation where an experienced professional designer will design a kitchen for you. It takes all the stress and all the worry out of your kitchen journey. We're really excited to help you on your kitchen journey. So please get in touch. We offer a free design consultation and we would love to book you in.